Are you wondering how to fix a zipper on a hoodie, pants, or other clothing? Today I'll show you a simple way to replace a zipper without cutting or sewing. You'll need a new zipper slider, pliers, and a screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to pry open the old slider. Don't worry about damaging it, you'll be throwing it away anyway. Now take the new slider and very carefully pry it open just enough without breaking it. And if you don't have a slider, check the link in the description. There's a wide selection of cheap sliders, and you'll surely find the right one. It's better if the slider fits tightly because it will be easier to adjust later. Once the slider is in place, clamp it down with the pliers and check if it works. If the zipper still opens on its own, squeeze it even tighter with the pliers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a thumbs up and a comment.